Have you ever wondered why some people believe Bitcoin could be one of the greatest investments of our generation, while others think it's nothing more than a risky gamble? Over the past decade, Bitcoin has created millionaires, sparked global debates, and completely changed the way people think about money. But here's the big question. If Bitcoin is so popular, why are there thousands of other cryptocurrencies? And more importantly, should you invest in Bitcoin or altcoins in 2026? In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Bitcoin, altcoins, the current crypto market, and whether now could be a good time to start building a position. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an individual or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It was designed to be a decentralized digital currency, meaning no government, bank, or central authority controls it. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin has a fixed supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. This limited supply is one of the main reasons many investors compare Bitcoin to gold. In fact, Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. Supporters believe that because Bitcoin is scarce, it could become more valuable over time as demand increases. Today, Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency in the world and remains the foundation of the entire crypto market. But Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency. Over the years, thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies have been created. These are known as altcoins. The term altcoin simply means alternative coin, any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. Some of the most popular altcoins include Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and many others. Each altcoin was created with a different goal. Some focus on faster transactions. Some power decentralized applications. Some are designed for gaming, artificial intelligence, finance, or smart contracts. Because many altcoins are still relatively small compared to Bitcoin, they often have greater growth potential. It's not uncommon for an altcoin to rise 5x, 10x, or even more during a strong bull market. But here's the
higher rewards usually come with higher risks. Many altcoins that once looked promising have lost 80%, 90%, or even 99% of their value. Some projects completely disappeared. Others turned out to be poorly managed or failed to gain real-world adoption. This is one reason why many experienced investors prefer Bitcoin over most altcoins. Bitcoin has survived multiple market crashes. It has faced criticism, regulation concerns, and extreme volatility. Yet it continues to remain the dominant cryptocurrency. Many institutional investors, hedge funds, and publicly traded companies view Bitcoin as the safest asset within the crypto space. That doesn't mean Bitcoin is risk-free. Far from it. Bitcoin can still experience significant price swings. In fact, if you've been watching the market recently, you've probably noticed that Bitcoin has pulled back from its recent highs. Whenever Bitcoin drops, many investors start asking the same question. Is Bitcoin crashing? Or is this a buying opportunity? The truth is that market corrections.
Bitcoin has experienced multiple corrections throughout its history. Sometimes prices fall because investors take profits. Other times, concerns about interest rates, economic uncertainty, government regulations, or broader market sentiment create selling pressure. While these declines can feel scary, long-term investors often view corrections as a normal part of the market cycle. Now, let's address the question everyone wants answered. Should you invest in Bitcoin right now? The honest answer is that nobody knows exactly what will happen next. No analyst, influencer, or financial expert can predict Bitcoin's short-term price movements with complete certainty from complete certainty. The market could move higher, it could move lower, and it could remain volatile for months. This is why many investors use a strategy called dollar cost averaging, also known as DCA. Instead of investing a large amount all at once, they invest a fixed amount on a regular schedule. For example, someone might invest $100 every week or $500 every month, regardless of the current price.
This strategy helps reduce the emotional stress of trying to time the market perfectly.
Over the long run, many investors find that consistency is more important than trying to predict short-term price movements. If you're new to crypto, Bitcoin is often considered the best starting point because it has the longest track record, the strongest brand recognition, and the highest level of institutional adoption. That doesn't mean altcoins should be ignored. Some investors choose to allocate a smaller portion of their portfolio to high-quality altcoins in search of higher returns. However, many experts recommend building a strong foundation with Bitcoin before taking larger risks in smaller cryptocurrencies.
At the end of the day, investing is about balancing opportunity and risk. Bitcoin offers potential upside, but it also comes with volatility. Altcoins may offer even larger gains, but they typically carry much higher risk. The key is to do your own research, understand what you're investing in, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Remember, successful investing is usually not about getting rich overnight. It's about making smart decisions consistently over time. What do you think about Bitcoin? Do you believe Bitcoin will continue to grow in the years ahead? Or do you think altcoins offer a better opportunity? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.